Hi, I am Dirk. I am Product Line Manager at LMS and I'll be your guide in this 3-minute introduction to LMS SoundBrush. Imagine a new, revolutionary tool that allows you to troubleshoot acoustic problems in full 3D. A tool that really makes you see what you hear. This is exactly what LMS SoundBrush is all about. Let me give you a short demonstration on this electromotor, which clearly has a noise issue. As you just saw, LMS SoundBrush visualizes in real time the sound field around the engine. It clearly reveals the noise source and the direction of the sound. In order to measure the intensity in 3 dimensions, LMS developed this dedicated intensity sensor in close collaboration with Grass, Sound and Vibration. Let's have a look at the results of this measurement. To find hotspots, you can rotate or zoom the 3D display in all directions. You can also run a slice through the data. All points within the slice are used for the interpolation. Finally, you can also pick a particular measurement point. Look at the spectrum or at the picture taken by the probe camera. I guess you want to know how it all works. The tracking camera tracks the position of the illuminated sphere, while an inertial platform determines the orientation. In parallel, the probe converts the analog signals into digital data. Thanks to these technologies, LMS SoundBrush is truly the only tool on the market that allows you to represent and visualize sound fields in full 3D. On top of that, the tool is extremely simple to use and is set up in no time. All system components are plug-and-play USB. The intuitive software guides you through the process from setup to analysis in just a few clicks. LMS SoundBrush comes in a rugged and compact travel case. It includes the software and all the attributes you need. In short, LMS SoundBrush is the ultimate tool for acoustic troubleshooting. Fast and easy, but at the same time it provides in-depth acoustical troubleshooting. While measuring, you can zoom in on problem areas in real time and in full 3D. I hope you've enjoyed watching this demonstration and invite you to visit lmssoundbrush.com for more information.